round 6, chain 1 for a start, a bubble stitch around this bubble stitch, chain 1, a back post double crochet around the first back post double crochet, now a double crochet between 2 back posts here in the center, now a back post double crochet around the next back post double crochet, chain 1, a bubble stitch around bubble stitch, so repeat the pattern, chain 1, back post double crochet around the first back post double crochet, a double crochet between 2 back post double crochet here, a back post double crochet around the next back post double crochet, chain 1, and a bubble stitch around this bubble stitch. Continue this pattern and I come back here. Now for close round 6, after the last chain 1, make a slip stitch, top of very first bubble stitch, and this round finish. Round 7, chain 1, a bubble stitch around bubble stitch, chain 1. Now we want to make cluster around this back post double crochet and this double crochet, so 1 back post double crochet unfinished, then a front post double crochet around this double crochet, totally 3 loops on the hook and a cluster, 2 chain, 1 2, another cluster, a front post double crochet around this double crochet unfinished, then a back post double crochet around the next, now a cluster, chain 1, a bubble stitch around this bubble stitch, again chain 1, now a cluster, back post double crochet unfinished, then a front post double crochet around next, now a cluster, 2 chain, another cluster, a front post double crochet around same double crochet, back post double crochet around next back post double crochet, now a cluster, chain 1, a bubble stitch around bubble stitch, continue this pattern and I come back here, a bubble stitch, chain 1, cluster, 2 chain, cluster, chain 1, bubble stitch, now for close round 7, make a slip stitch, top of very first bubble stitch here, and this round finish. Round 8, chain 1 for a start, a bubble stitch around bubble stitch, now 2 chain, 1 2, a front post double crochet around this cluster. Now 3 double crochet popcorn into this 2 chain space, 1, 2 and 3. Now a popcorn, a front post double crochet around next cluster, chain 2, 1, 2, a bubble stitch around this bubble stitch, and repeat this pattern. Around this bubble stitch we make a bubble stitch. Okay, again 2 chain, a front post double crochet around this cluster, 3 double crochet popcorn into this 2 chain space, 1, 2 and 3. Now a popcorn, a double crochet around next cluster here, now 2 chain, 1, 2, a bubble stitch around this bubble stitch, continue this pattern, and I come back here, a bubble stitch, 2 chain, front post double crochet, 3 double crochet popcorn, front post double crochet, 2 chain, bubble stitch, and repeat this pattern. Now for close round 8, after the last 2 chain, make a slip stitch, top of very first bubble stitch here, and this round finish. Round 9, chain 1, a bubble stitch around this bubble stitch, three chain, 1, 2, 3, a bubble stitch again around same bubble stitch here, 1 and 2, now a bubble stitch like this, chain 1, 2 front post double crochet cluster around this front post double crochet and next front post double crochet, skip this popcorn, so 1 here, unfinished double crochet, another one around this front post double crochet, now totally 3 loops on the hook and the cluster, chain 1, a bubble stitch around next bubble stitch here, three chain, 1, 2, 3, another bubble stitch around the same bubble stitch here, like this. For close round 9, after this cluster and chain 1, we make a slip stitch, top of very first bubble stitch, and this round finish.